Good evening, all. Welcome to another PEP session here with us at Mathematics Resource Center. And today we're looking at verbal classification. All right, so I'm not going to keep you long today because I know that most persons' holiday started, and the fact that holiday had started for many of you, it might be mentally you're not in the place to have a class today. All right, so I'm not going to keep you long today. So we're just going to do a few questions and then I'll let you all go. So here we have 7 questions. All right, so we're going to write down our questions. I am going to give you 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right, so I'm going to give you 15 minutes to write your questions and write down your solution to your questions. All right, so because I'm not keeping you long today, we're just making sure that we at least do something. All right, it's my promise to you all that we at least do something every week when it comes on to PEP to make sure that you're prepared for your exam. So even though we're not spending the entire hour as we normally do, we are still going to do some work. Okay, so go ahead and complete the 14 questions. And after completing the 14 questions, I'm giving you 15 minutes. And then we spend the next 5 to 10 minutes taking the solutions. All right, so go ahead and complete the question. So writing down our question and writing our answers to our question. So welcome to everyone joining here with us on Zoom or joining on Facebook or YouTube. Happy to have you all joining with us. Today we are doing verbal classification. We are not doing the full 1 hour as we always do, or sometimes we do over. It will be less today, right? Because I know that many of you have started your holiday and I don't want to hold you because mentally, I know some persons aren't prepared for this class session. All right, so go ahead and complete the questions. 15 minutes to complete the questions. So we are expected to be writing the questions and completing the questions. All right, so we have 14 minutes. Well, you had 14 minutes. 40 minutes started. Good morning. The 40 minutes started 5 minutes ago. All right. Just seeing your message, Jamar. So let me know how it is now. If it's better, if I still need to zoom in more. All right, Jamar. My apology. Need to zoom in more, Jamar. Is that okay now, Jamar? Let me know, or do I need to zoom in some more? Oh, thank you, Jamar. All right. So you'll be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions and not 7. Okay, you're welcome, Jamar. All right, so we'll take the solution in 20 minutes past the hour. Please ensure that you're writing your questions. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Then we go with our answers. 2 minutes to. Absolutely amazing. I made my students co-host and they didn't unmute themselves. They were just waiting to be called. All right. Expectation. All right. So the first question, question 112, that will go to
Uh,
Jenna.
yes, Miss. Miss, may I answer number one, please?
Yeah, so you're gonna read the question first, Jenna, and then you answer. Jenna?
Okay, Miss. Should I start now?
Yes, go ahead, my darling.
Okay, Miss. Which word does not belong with the others? A. Noun. B. Preposition. C. Punctuation. And D. Adverb. Miss, the answer is C. Punctuation.
Awesome, well done. So I hope everyone got that one correct. So go ahead and tick yourself if you got that correct. So there goes Jenna. Thank you, Jenna, my darling. And the next one goes to Leandra. Leandra, question 113.
Which word does not belong with the others? A. Cornea. B. Retina. C. Pupil. And D. Vision.
Okay, what is your answer, darling? What is your answer, honey? Okay. Zaya, what is the answer for that one?
Miss?
113. What is the answer for question 113?
Miss? Vision?
Awesome. Well done. Give yourself a tick. So the answer for 113 is vision. Every other parts are parts of the eye. Vision is not part of the eye. All right. Let's go with 114. And 114 goes to Kiara.
Which word does not belong with the others? A. Rye, B. Sourdough, C. Pumpernickel, D. Loaf.
What is your answer?
A. Rye,
All right. All right. So, I mean, this one is not something that you might be familiar with. All right. So rice, sourdough, and pumpernickel are all types of bread, but a loaf is not a bread type of bread. All right. So the answer would be D. All right. So this is not one that you would be familiar with. All right. So don't worry if you did not get this one correct. All right. But good try, my darling.
Miss, so what is the answer?
D, loaf. All the others are types of bread except for loaf. All right. So we're gonna go with the next one, 115, and that is going to go to Nelia.
Excuse me, Miss. I'm sorry to interrupt, Miss. I came late, so I did not get to see the 115.
Okay, Nelia. I'm gonna go to Ajori. Honey. Journey. Then. All right. I'm gonna go to Michaelia. Linda.
You zoomed in, so I'm not able to see number 115.
Oh, not 15. Let's go with 116. I realized. Sorry. Let's go with 116. Oh, that's what what's his name? What's her name? I think Nelia was saying. I understand you now, Nelia. All right, let's try again, Nelia. All right, who was I speaking to just now? Michaela.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Michaela, with 116.
Which word does not belong with the others? Street, freeway, interstate, and expressway. And my answer is street.
Is
Street.
okay, correct. Well done. All right, so street is correct. So freeway, interstate, and expressway are all high-speed highways. A street is a low. Okay, so back to it now. So 116, the answer is 8. All right. So let's go with 117. 117. We're gonna go with, who did I go to earlier? Nelia. Nelia? Nelia? Let's see if Nelia has. Oh, let's make it cool. Host Nelia.
Which
All right,
word
Nelia,
does
you can go ahead now.
which word does not belong with the others?
Mm-hmm.
Dodge, flee, duck, or avoid? Is it is
Mm-hmm.
it flee?
Is it B? Mm-hmm. Why B?
Because all of those things are either to move your body quickly while fleeing is running.
Awesome. All right. So dodge, duck, and avoid are all synonyms, meaning evade. All right. So trying to avoid something, evade. But flee means to run away. All right. And then we go the last one here, 118. And who did I make as co-host that I haven't called in as yet? Um, Kamoya, did I call on you already?
No, miss.
Okay, go Kamoya.
Which word does not belong with the others? A, heading. B, body. C, letter. D, clothing. Closing,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. I chose C, letter.
Okay. Why? Why did you choose C?
Because it's talking about what the letter is made out of.
Okay, so all the others are talking about what the lecture is made up of. All right, good. So the heading, the body, the closing. Okay, good. So let's do 115 now. Some persons were able to see that one because I zoom in, but I'm gonna call in Demario. Demario, you have two devices on because I see you on Zoom and I see you on YouTube as well, Demario. All right, Demario, give me the answer here. Question 15. So they weren't seeing that one,
No, I
but
wasn't.
go ahead, read it.
Oh,
Yeah, read it
okay.
and then give me the answer.
Which word does not belong with the others?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Um, Miss, I wasn't able to answer that because I couldn't see it.
Yeah, I understand. And I know you're being placed on the spot, but think about it. Inch, ounce, centimeter, yard. Which one?
Um, I say it's owned
And why did you say ounce? You're correct.
because I think it's talking about the mass of the object.
Good, good. Good, good. All right. So the others, the inch, the centimeter, the yard is talking about length, while ounce is talking about weight, mass. Okay. So that will bring us to, it is 33 minutes past. And as promised, I will not keep you for the hour. Just want to make sure that you did some questions for today, did some amount of revision for today and preparing. I know that some of these words are new. So you need to go ahead and add these words to your vocabulary. Pseudo, those words that you are not familiar with, right? Anything that you're not familiar with, add them to your vocabulary. Okay? Have yourself a great Easter. See you after the Easter break. So have yourself a superb Easter. God bless you
Thank you.
all.
Thank you and
I
same to
will
you.
allow you to unmute now to say bye.
Bye,
Right.
Miss.
Bye, sweet darling.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Come on.